Abou Ben Adhem by Leigh Hunt. Important reference to the context questions as well as some extra questions. Extract 1. Abou Ben Adhem, may his tribe increase, awoke one night from a deep dream of peace, and saw within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom, an angel writing in a book of gold. This is our first extract. Let us read the questions now. Question 1. Who was Abou Ben Adhem? What is meant by may his tribe increase? Question 1. There are subparts. There are 2 questions. You need to change paragraph. Keep this in mind. Change paragraph and write brief answers in simple English, and your answers must include all the key elements. Abou Ben Adhem was a godly man, that is a Sufi saint living in a Middle Eastern country. This is my first answer. Next question. What is meant by may his tribe increase? The words may his tribe increase refer to the speaker's hopeful prayer that the family of Abou might flourish and prosper. Abou must have a good life ahead of him, and there must be more people like Abou in this world. Notice the key elements here, the key words. Speaker's hopeful prayer. May his tribe increase. It is a prayer, a wish, a blessing. Therefore, this word hopeful must be there in your answer. Question number 2. Explain the meaning of deep dream of peace. How could Abou have peace? Again, question number 2 has 2 parts. The first part, explain the meaning of deep dream of peace. The expression deep dream of peace means restful slumber. Abou enjoys sound sleep and perhaps has a peaceful dream. This is the first answer. The key words restful slumber, sound sleep, peaceful dream. Next, after changing the paragraph, let's come to the second question, the second part of question number 2. How could Abou have peace? Being an upright and righteous person, Abou had no anxiety, guilt or worry. He had a clean conscience. Therefore, he could have calmness of mind and enjoy tranquility. Tranquility, peace. The meaning of tranquility is peace. How could Abou have peace? A very brief answer, to the point answer, precise and specific. You need to focus on the traits of Abou's character. What does the expression like a lily in bloom signify? We all know like a lily in bloom, this is a simile. Let's read the answer. This is a question that carries 3 marks. The first 2 questions, 2 marks each, so 4 marks. And now question 3 and 4, 3 marks each, 6 marks. The appearance of the angel brightens the room of Abou and fills it with pure whiteness, just like a white lily in bloom. A white lily and the pure whiteness. This is a comparison, and the appearance of the angel brightens the room of Abou. This simile and visual imagery also throw light on Abou's character. A lily symbolizes humility and devotion. Abou seems to embody these 2 traits. This is the significance of the expression like a lily in bloom. A 3 marks answer. Not a lengthy one, but a precise To the point answer. Comment on the setting of the poem. The poem probably takes place in the private chamber of Abu. The moonlit room is depicted as a calm place where Abu has a sweet slumber of a man very much at peace. This establishes the noble character of Abu. Now it's time for extract 2. Let's read the extract. The angel wrote and vanished. The next night it came again with a great wakening light and showed the names whom love of God had blessed. And lo, Ben Adhem's name led the rest. Question 1. What happened the following night? The angel reappeared in the private chamber of Abou Ben Adhem with a bright and dazzling light. The angel showed him the names of those who had been blessed by God. What happened? The reappearance of the angel for the second time. Therefore, specifically, I have mentioned the word reappeared to show that the angel had appeared earlier as well. And the setting, private chamber, the setting is the same on the second night as well. And the angel, just as the angel appeared, there was a bright, dazzling light. The entire chamber was illuminated. The angel then showed him the names of those who had been blessed by God. This is what happened the following night. Again, precise and specific, including all the key words, the key points. Question number 2. Explain. A great wakening light. How has Abou Ben Adhem been rewarded? Again, 2 questions. The first subpart, explain a great wakening line. The expression a great wakening light means bright light that aroused Abou Ben Adhem from his sleep. A 1-mark question, therefore a simple answer, a brief answer. Next question, how has Abou Ben Adhem been rewarded? Change the paragraph. Abou Ben saw that his name appeared on the top of the second list. Mention second list because his name was not there in the first list ahead of the others this time. God had blessed him more than anybody else. In this way, he was rewarded. Another 1-mark question. So 1 plus 1, 2 marks. Question 3 carrying 3 marks. What is the theme of the poem? God favors those who love their fellow human beings. Learn this. God favors those who love their fellow human beings. Service to mankind is the best way to express love for God and worship Him. Whenever you are writing or you are mentioning God and then Him, put H in capital. In this poem, the poet highlights the importance of love, compassion and fraternity. This is the theme of this fable. Question 4, 3 marks once again. Describe the traits of Abou Ben Adhem in a short note. Character, sketch of Abu in a short note. Observe the use of the key points, the key words. Abou Ben Adhem is a noble, upright and righteous man with a clean conscience. He served his fellow men and exhibited real worship of God instead of shallow religiosity. He is also an epitome, a perfect example, epitome of humility and devotion, devoted to God and very, very humble. Although he feels sad, he cheerfully requests the angel to mention him as a person who loved his fellow beings. This is a brief character sketch of Abou Ben Adhem, sufficient for a 3 marks question. It's time for the next extract, extract 3. What writest thou? The vision raised its head and with a look made of all sweet accord answered, the names of those who love the Lord. And is mine one? Said Abou. Question 1. What is a vision referred to here? What does Abou say to the vision? The vision is also mentioned as presence. So if you have a question, what is the presence? What is the vision? The answer will be the same. The vision refers to the angel who appeared in the private chamber of Abou Ben Adhem with a bright, dazzling light one night. And what does Abou say to the vision? The supernatural divine messenger was writing in a book of gold. Abou asked him what he was writing. This was his specific question. This was his query. What he was writing in the book of gold. So, question 1, subparts. Therefore, I have changed the paragraph. Next, question 2. What is the reaction of the vision when Abou speaks to it? And what is the vision? Just mention the angel. Start your answer with the angel instead of the vision because you have already explained that in the very first question. No need to write Abou Ben Adhem again and again. If you have written Abou Ben Adhem once or twice, then you may write Abou Ben or Ben Adhem when you write about him later in the other answers. So, let's read. The angel raises its head. Reaction. We need the reaction answer. The angel raises its head and then replies Abou sweetly, without getting angry or disturbed, that he is writing the names of those who love God. So sweet accord, sweetly, without getting disturbed, he replies that he is writing the names of those who love God. What does Abou curiously ask the angel? What makes him low? Abou curiously asks the angel if his name is mentioned by the angel in the book of gold this time. So, and what makes him low? On getting a negative response from the angel, Abou feels low. He comes to know that his name does not feature in the list of those who love God. And therefore, he feels low. This question carries 3 marks. Never mind if your answer is brief. If you have included all the points, even a brief answer will fetch you full marks. What does Abou request the angel to do? First part. Second question, what does this reveal about Abou? Interrelated questions. Abou feels low, but he is not totally dismayed to hear that his name is not on the list. He cheerfully requests the angel to write his name as one that loves his fellow men. This is his request. And what does this reveal about his character, about Abou? This reveals the humility, devotion and patience of Abou. You need to mention these 3 points. Humility, tick. Devotion, a tick. Patience, tick. He is a pious man and does not question the divine judgment. He earnestly requests the angel, hoping to prove to God that he is a good man. This demonstrates the goodness in Abou. Some extra questions. Abou Ben Adhem by Leigh Hunt. What is the significance of the book of gold? The answer: the angel was writing in a book of gold, symbolizing the great value and richness of the contents of the book. This was not an ordinary book, but a divine book containing the names of those who would be blessed by God for their good actions or devotion. Gold is a precious metal signifying the immense significance of this holy book of judgment. This is the answer. Learn this answer from here. Question 2. Describe the angel in Abou Ben Adhem. The angel is a divine messenger. The moonlit room of Abou Ben Adhem is filled with bright, dazzling light when the angel appears twice on 2 consecutive nights. Its face has an unparalleled sweetness. When Abu speaks to the angel, it responds sweetly. Here is a description, a brief description of the angel. It seems to have been sent by God himself to test Abou Ben Adhem's patience. This is important. Mention this when you are describing the angel. Question 3. Why did neither of them show any surprise in their encounters? What made Abu bold? Both Abou Ben Adhem and the angel were not surprised when they met twice. The former, being a Sufi saint, was a great believer of God as well as angels. He believed in the existence of God and his messengers were visible to pious people. Next, what made him bold? Exceeding peace made Abu bold, and he was not afraid of the supernatural vision. These are the important questions. All the best. Learn properly and study well.